Okay. Now, it's like we are going to learn about something called as past perfect tense. Okay. See now, till now we learned. You say. Okay. So right now, is till this last 2 3 days we learned about something called as past continuous tense, and you learned about simple past. In past continuous tense, you learned that you'll be using was, were plus present participle ing, and in the past simple past you are going to use the ed form, regular and irregular forms. So now today you are going to learn something called as past perfect tense. Now first of all, what is past perfect tense? So, past perfect tense is nothing but an activity which started some time back. What? An activity which started some time back before the start of another activity in the past. Understand? Okay, let us take yesterday. Yesterday morning, when you woke up, what did you do? You brushed your teeth. Then you had your breakfast. Here, and both these activities are in the present or they were in the past? Yesterday.
First.
So both that yesterday when you woke up, you brushed your teeth. After that, you had your breakfast. So the first activity of brushing that happened in the past and ended in the past. When did it end? It ended before you had your breakfast. Now that first, we are referring to that first activity. What? We are referring to that first activity. Okay. So what I will do is I had brushed my teeth. I had brushed my teeth and I had my breakfast. Okay. So that is what is your past perfect tense. See here, what they're using is had plus past participle. Had plus past participle is what? Your verb plus ed or irregular verbs. What, like ran? Okay. So say for example, I had my breakfast. I had my breakfast before I could go to the office. Okay. The hunter had killed the deer before he could go and catch the lion. The hunter had killed, had K I L L E D, past participle, before he could go and catch the lion. So always remember, past perfect tense talks about the activity which started in the past, ended in the past, before the start of another activity. In the example which I gave you, the hunter had killed the deer. Okay. Here, had killed the deer is the first activity, started in the past, ended in the past, before he could go and catch the lion. So, before he could go and catch the lion also is in the past only. For these kind of actions, you are going to use the past perfect tense, like had plus past participle. Past participle is nothing but verb plus ed or the irregular form, like ran, came. Okay, so this is called as past participle. Now you have what? Three forms, right? One is your yeah. So in this you have three forms. One is you had, say for example, you had studied French before you moved to New York. Okay. See, positive thing is you had studied French before you could move to New York. So studying French is the first activity. And when did it end? Before he could go to New York. So this is your positive statement. Okay. Always remember, activity started in the past, ended in the past before the beginning of another activity in the past. Okay. So let us go to the question form. In question form, what you are going to do? You will tell. What will you tell? You will tell.
Had you studied?
Question. Had you studied French before you could move to New York? So what happened? Had came in the beginning. And again, you still use the what? Past participle. In the question, you still use the past participle, not the present form of the verb. In simple past, it was the present form of the verb, but here it is the past participle, past form of the verb, ed in the question also. Okay, and in the negative, had you not studied French before going to New York? Okay, so this is the overall understanding of simple perfect tense, simple past perfect tense. Sorry, past perfect tense.